Hi kids, welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. This is Teacher Cherie, and for today's class we are going to learn about your alphabet. Oh, class, this is our third lesson. Now for today we are going to learn about the letter C. Okay, now class, C is a curved line, okay? Now, let's try to learn how to write the letter C. First, we are going to learn how to write your uppercase C. Now, letter C is a curved line. Now, let's start from the top to bottom. Now, let's try to write a curved line. 1. Okay, let's try it. Okay, 1. Okay, good job. Now, let's try again. 1. Okay, good job. Now let's try to write your lowercase letter C. Now let's start at the middle part of your paper and let's write a curved line to the bottom. Very good. Okay, now let's try. 1. Okay, good job. Now since you know how to write your letter C, let's continue to the next page. Now here, look, it's letter C and let's say K, K, K. Okay, good job. Let's say it again. K, K, K. Okay, that's good. Now let's say it 3 times. K, K, K. Oh, you did very well. Now let's continue to the next page and let's hear. Let's say K, K, K. Okay, now here, look, it's a cat. Let's say it together. K, K, cat. Oh, you did well. Let's say it again. Cat. Okay, very good. K, K, cat. Okay, good job. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, it's a car. Let's say it. K, K, car. K, K, car. Okay, good job. Let's say it again. K, K, car. Okay, you did very well. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh yes, it's a cup. Let's say it. K, K, cup. K, K, cup. Okay, good job. Let's say it together. Cup. Very well. Now let's continue to the next one. Now here, kids, these words begin with letter C, okay? Let's say it. Cat. K, K, cat. Okay, good job. And this one, let's say it. K, K, car. Car. Very good. And how about the next one? Let's say it together. K, K, cup. Okay, good job. Now remember kids, these words begin with letter C, okay? Okay, now class, you did a very good job today. Okay, now class, for our next lesson, we are going to learn about the letter D, okay? Now kids, don't forget to like our Facebook page, Peniel Learning Center. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center. Okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye. See you again.